Hi! Have you ever wondered how to use a Google spreadsheet document with all your data and use that data to create a bar graph? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. My name is Patricia Rivera, and I'll be using a Google spreadsheet to create a bar graph and Screencast-O-Matic to record this video for you. My how-to video on how to be successful in this category. So, let's say you're a student, a teacher, whatever you may be, you have to present data. This is the thing for you to do. So let's say, for example, I collected data on pizza. I asked the school, the students were to select pizza that they would prefer to have. So let's say I gave them 4 options. The first one was a simple cheese pizza. The next one is pepperoni and bacon. And then the last one was Italian sausage. So from those selections, for cheese, let's say we had 23 students. Pepperoni, we had 48 students. For bacon, we had 12 students. And Italian sausage, we had 88 students. So I inserted my data. Now what I will do is with the left clicker of the mouse, I select the boxes with the data in them, and then I click on the toolbar Insert and select Chart. Upon selecting that, Google Spreadsheet will use the information I highlighted and create a bar graph automatically for me. The chart editor box comes up, and you have the option of choosing a horizontal bar graph or a vertical bar graph. And for today, I'll use a horizontal bar graph. However, whatever steps I show you after this can be applied to either one. So, as you can see, it adds the information on there, but we need to add a little more detail. So, I click Customization. And from there, I have the options of customizing it to my liking. So, of course, I need a title. And let's say for the title, I put it as Favorite Pizza. Once I type it in and click outside the box, it adds whatever change I make automatically. And then with anything that you add in regards to your wording, you can change the font, the size, or the color. Now I need to also add a title or a label for my horizontal and my vertical axis. So I scroll down. Axis is right here, the one selected as horizontal, which has the toppings. So I will title that Toppings. And then I will add a title or a label for my vertical axis. And since it has the numbers, I will put number of students. And again, with any wording you add, you can change the font, the size, or the color. Now, based on the numbers that I had in my spreadsheet, it automatically made the bar graph from 0 to 100. However, if I wanted to change that, I can change the value of that in my minimum and maximum box. Just know that whatever values you have on the spreadsheet, the bar graph will use those values to create a number that accommodates to your quantities. Now, as I scroll down, I have more options. And let's say, for example, I think, well, if I'm presenting this to someone, they can't exactly see the exact amount for each topping. So when you scroll down, you can go to Data Labels and select Value. When you select Value, you'll see that each one has the number of the students that chose that topping. So once you're done making all the customization changes you want, you select Insert. Upon selecting Insert, you'll see the bar graph automatically be placed on your spreadsheet. From there, you have the box selected, so you can click this arrow right here. And then you can make more changes, you can delete it, you can save it as an image, publish it, or move it to its own spreadsheet. But this is how you make a bar graph from the data from your Google spreadsheet. I hope this is beneficial for you, and I wish you much success on any presentation you have in the future.